Dear shorthand writers, this is a dictation of 360 advanced outlines in English phraseography. You can take this dictation to test your capacity to build new outlines. For your convenience, PDF file of these outlines is given in the description of this video. Ready? Start. Anti-national elements. As to why such. Assembly constituency. Because it will. Centralization of power. Centrally sponsored schemes. Collateral damage. Decentralization of power. Directly elected representatives. Economic reforms. Effective governance. Electoral college. Extracurricular activities. Financial and technical support. Financial management. For consideration of the government. Harmonious relations. Honorable members will agree. I am grateful to you. I regret to say that in less than a week, in our state assembly, in the country and abroad, in the house, in the immediate context, in the last discussion, in the month of May, in the months of August and September, in the months of June and July, in the Parliament House, in the power, in the present form, in the present context, in the same village, in the second week, in the statement, in this August House, in this bill, in this historic event, in this House, in this legislation, in this Parliament, in this region, in which the government, independent candidates, India has always been, India is one of the, India must be, India must protect the, India will agree with the, India will also, India will find, India will overtake, Indian diplomatic mission, Indian education system, Indian foreign policy, Indian government's response, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Indian Institute of Management, Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Nationalism, Indian National Congress, Indian Oil Corporation, Indian Penal Code, Indian Perspective, Indian Science Congress, India's achievements, India's biggest cities, India's China policy, India's economic power, India's efforts, India's foreign policy, India's independence, India's military power, India's most critical, India's most important, India's Nepal policy, India's Pakistan policy, India's perspective, India's perspective, India's political class, India's population, India's problems, India's reservation system, India's secular forces, India's self-reliance, India's smaller states, India's worst hit regions, India's worst hit state, India's younger states, industrial plant, industrial policy, inside the party, institutional framework, intelligence agency, interim dividend, international community, international relations, inward looking. It has intensified the. It is also further. It is due to the. It is illogical that. It is ironic. It is just another. It is only the second time. It is quite evident. It is unreasonable. Its first election. Its most critical. Jay Prakash Narayan. Last session of Parliament. Latest technology. Law Commission. Leader of Opposition. Leader of the House. Leader of Opposition. Leaders of the world. Learning experience. Legal and regulatory. Legislative business. Legislative council. Legislative experience. Lieutenant Governor. List of appointments. Literacy and numeracy. Lives and livelihood. Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha constituency. Long-term distress. Long-term solutions. Lower House of Parliament. Man to man. Many speakers have. Matter of great satisfaction. May consider necessary. Member of Legislative Assembly. Member of Legislative Council. Member of Lok Sabha. Member of Parliament. Member of Rajya Sabha. Members of Lok Sabha. Members of Parliament. Members of Rajya Sabha. Military to military. Minority community. Minimum support price. Monsoon session of Parliament. Most advanced countries. Most parts of the country. Most populous regions. Most vulnerable sections. Multi-party democracy. Muslim League. Must be kept in mind. My honorable friend. National and international. National and international institutions. National Democratic Alliance. National Innovation Council. National Investigation Agency. National or international. National Population Register. National Register of Citizens. National Security Advisor. National Security and Integrity. National Stock Exchange. Natural disasters. Negative effects. Next session of Parliament. Next 6 months. Non-alignment. Obstruction and disruption of his own party, of our constitution, of the government, of the house, of this act, of this house, official and non-official, omission and commission, on this legislation, on this subject, on those who, one might have, one of the first countries, opposition governed states, or some policy, or the government, ordinance, ordinance making power, ordinances, other states are, other states like, other states may be, other states may have, other states which have, outside the party, over the past 6 months, over these regions, overwhelming support, pacts and alliances. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, parliamentary constituency, parliamentary democracy, parliamentary procedure, particularly relevant, party establishment, pay commission, peace and harmony, people's representative, per capita income, persons and institutions, piece of legislation, platform platinum, platinum jubilee, plutonium, political alternative, political analysis, political and diplomatic, political and economic, political and social, political aspirations, political asylum, political calculation, political carriers, political considerations, political constituency, political dispensation, political figures, political incentives, political leader, political leadership, political obstacles, political outcome, political outfit, political parties, political psychology, political reforms, political salvation, political spectrum, political stability, political statement, political structure, political struggle, political survival, political violence, political, diplomatic and economic, politically and economically, poor governance, poorest of the poor, portfolio investment, positive impact, power generation, preferential trade agreement, pre-legislative, presidential, presidential democracy, presidential election, president's address, president's rule, press council of India, pre-symptomatic, prevention of terrorism bill, previous presidents, primary and secondary, primary cooperative societies, primary, secondary and higher education, private investment, private investor, private schools and colleges, privatization and liberalization. Procedure has been progress and development, progressive alternative, provisions of the ordinance, public distribution system, public opinion, public representatives, Public Safety Act, public sector enterprises, pulses and oil seeds, quasi-federal, quasi-judicial, radio and television, Rajya Sabha member, Rajya Sabha constituency, ration card holders, recognized institute, regulatory environment, renewable energy, representative democracy, rescue and relief, residuary powers, rights and interests, rights of minorities, rules and precedents, rules of procedure, sales and income, Sardar Patel, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, schools and colleges, schools and hospitals, science and technology, science fiction, scientific achievements, scientific endeavor, Securities and Exchange Board of India, self-proclaimed, separation of powers, serious disagreements, several alternatives, several state governments, sexual harassment, sexual violence, Silver Jubilee. Since its inception, 6 states are social justice goals, socio-economic, some of my friends, some states are, some states may be, some states may have, source of income, sovereignty and integrity of India, sovereignty and security, specific objective, state government, state governments have been, statement of objects and reasons, state of the art, states and union territories, states can have, states may have, states must be, states next chief minister, states such as, states which are, states will be, statutory resolution, steps must also be taken, substantial investment, supplementary demands for grants, surrender of power, sustainable development, sustainable development goals, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Telugu Desam Party, territorial integrity, territory to territory, that such subjects. That is all, friends. Thank you.